Welcome to our home.
Don't wanna be a one man.
So this is the living area. This is where the dining table is set. And then this is where the couch, the Wi-Fi. And then here we have the sliding door. Outside there's a big garden, as you can see. And then it's money. And then this is where the microwave is going to be. And then this is the cupboard for your glasses and wines. This is the microwave, the dishwasher. And then, no, the dishwasher is here. And then here is the washing machine. And then coming to the first room. This is a smaller room where we're going to take it to the office. Look how spacious it is. You can come in. And then here we have the cupboards. They're very big. You can put all your stuff in here. Very spacious. And then here we have another cupboard where you can hang your clothes and then put some bags on top and all your towels, big stuff on top. It's very big. And then what I love again is that it has two plugs here. If you have a table here on the screen here, you can connect. And then on the other side as well, there's another plug where you can connect the screen if you have a laptop and then you're sitting here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our fridge, because the bar fridge is going to be here, and then the table will be here, just to face in the window so that the light can come in, and then another table here for me. And then we have another room. And then here on the closet we have the grocery cupboard where we will put our stuff in here. And then we have the first bathroom, but we're going to come to that. I'm going to show you guys the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. It has, you can turn on the light there. It's very big. I love that it's more like a closet. And then you open here, you also have another here where you can put your clothes nicely, and then you can hang as well. Then your stuff, your bags and whatnot, you can put them on top. Same thing, even this side. Oh wow, we left a mirror, so I can just look at myself here. And it's also big as well. See how spacious it is. And this bedroom is actually the main bedroom. It has two plugs where you can plug in here your charge, your phone while sleeping. Even this side, another plug. So it's the main bedroom where the magic happens. And then it has an ensuite bathroom. This bathroom only has a shower. All of these things that we're going to remove. We don't need this. All of these we're going to remove and revamp the bathroom as well. But this is the bathroom. As you can see, it has like a mini cupboard basin, a sink basin. So, and then there's also a shower. It's very big and spacious. You can put your stuff in there. And then, yeah, it's very clean. The person who was staying here was very clean. And then the toilet as well, the mirror, and then you also have another second bathroom. This one has a bathtub. Let me turn on the light. And then this is the bathroom. This as well is gonna go. I'm not sure if you can see. Let me give you a space so you can view the whole area, because it's very small. I don't know what's the problem here. This home is still working.
Future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die.
Tumanang, the guy, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are still kind to each other. If you are new here, hi, I'm Balisa. Welcome to my little corner of the internet.
You were bulletproof. Look at you. What happened? Did she hurt you?